We're going to discuss a year four, finding the unknown using properties. So, big idea. What is a big idea? So, it is an important idea for us to understand that different topics in maths can be connected to each other. The big idea that we choose for this topic is properties. So, properties is for a given set of numbers. They are relationships that are always true, and they are the true that they are the rules that govern arithmetics and algebra. So, for example, in mathematical understanding, that these properties can be used in operation. So, in the operation, there are relationship and the rules. For example, um, in addition, we can switch the numbers such as 5 plus 3 equals 3 plus 5. But in subtraction we can't do it because 10 take away 4 are not same as 4 take away 10. And then the other properties idea that we're gonna use is properties of equality. So for the both side of operation, we need to have a both side equal amount of numbers so we can balance the equality amount. Next, this is from the curriculum. We're gonna have it from year level 4, where this trend algebra and content descriptor find unknown values in numerical equations involving addition and subtraction using the properties of numbers and operations. Our unit progression. Firstly, we're gonna explore the commutative property through the part whole model. So, commutative property is a special rule that can be applied only for uh, addition and multiplication because the order can be switched, and the order can be switched, and the result are the same. Next, we're gonna explore addition facts and principle of equality. And we're gonna move on to learning to use the properties of equality to find unknown values in numerical equations involving addition and subtraction. Next, we're gonna learn to use addition and subtraction as inverse operations in equation to get an unknown value on its own. Here are the pedagogies that we're gonna use. First, we're gonna use concrete representation, rep, representational. I'm sorry, so hard for me to say that. Rep, representational and abstract, or it is known as CRA. Concrete. In this stage, students will do a hands-on activity with a concrete object, and after that, they're gonna transfer it to representational, which it is the stage where students will draw what based on the understanding from the concrete activity, and then after that they're gonna transfer their knowledge to abstract, which it is they only write a number sentence from what they understand from the previous stages. For our topic, we expect students to write a number sentence in equality. In equation. So for the abstract, next we have problem solving, and then third we're gonna use mathematical language. So mathematical language is a vocabulary that we're gonna teach for students, such as equality, equal sign, equality, equation, and sum. Next, we're gonna have number talks. So it is how students uh, are talking, thinking, and learning throughout maths. And then we also use explicit teaching. which means that it is a teacher deliver their knowledge of directly to the students. And we also have play-based learning. So this is a scale which I believe it is part of a concrete tool from CRA. So this is for the to show students that about the balance. If you look at both sides of the numbers, on the left we have amount of 8, but on the right we have 3 and 5. So student can understand that even though they have a different numbers, but they are equal, because the amount of the numbers are equal. Okay, thank you.